Welcome to PayXpert's Tech Talks. Today's topic is the back office and your profile and password. Each user has a standard profile inside the PayXpert Backoffice. It is accessible from the top right-hand corner anytime you log in. Just look for the circle. As mentioned in the general features video, you can change basic things like the time zone and language. But let's take a look at what can be done inside your profile. The My Profile option leads to a dedicated page where you can edit your profile information. It contains two tabs, Main Information and Contacts. Use the fields or drop-down menus to correct your name, your default currency, language, or time zone. Or add a profile picture, which is optional. Below the General Information area, click the Change Password box to activate these fields. Then use these fields to change your password as needed. Click Generate and the system will create a password for you. Remember to click the Edit button at the bottom to save your changes. Please note, we do not store passwords in our system, so to reset a lost password, contact us at support@payexpert.com or open a support ticket. And just a quick tip. You can't change your username when editing your profile. If you wish to do so or have any questions about your username, please open a support ticket. That's all for right now on this topic. Please like this video and subscribe to the PayXpert YouTube channel for more great tutorials.